Hello all, namaskar. So welcome again to my class. Today I'm going to teach you about small Russian words, greetings, numbers, objects. So how to pronounce correctly in Russian with the English meaning. So you can see here the very first page. Greetings. So greetings is nothing but hi, hello, नमस्कार, आदाब जो भी हम बोलते हैं, ठीक है, और गुड बाय ये जो भी है, तो हम उसे कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. So how we are going to pronounce it and then correctly write. So you can see here greetings, English, this is Russian, and then pronunciation, and here I will write written. Okay, so written, the Russians here in the bookish language, this is the printed form. What is that? Printed form are different, written form are different. So if you have watched my past videos, you will know. So here first of all, hello. So hello in Russian, hello in English, but in Russian, привет. What is that? Привет. So here you can see привет. So привет. Привет. So привет, how to write in Russian? Привет. Like that. Again I'm writing same. Привет. Another is goodbye. So goodbye, it's formal goodbye when you are meeting with your friend and then telling that goodbye. So that is in Russian, is пока. Пока, like that. Пока. So пока. What is that? Пока. How to write? Пока. So listen pronunciation correctly and then pronounce it or repeat it. Here another thing is very small words is here. Yes. Yes in English, but in Russian, da. Okay. Da. क्या बोलते हैं? Da. So da is nothing but yes. In Russian, da. And this is no. So some similarities will be there. No, that is нет. What is that? Нет. So нет, how we will write in Russian? Нет. क्या बोलेंगे? Нет. Here can you see please? So please is little the long word here. So you need to пожалуйста. Okay, like that. Пожалуйста. 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 क्या बोलते हैं? So what? How we are pronouncing? Пожалуйста. Politely. Please. Пожалуйста. So another word is thank you. So thank you, how we are telling in Russian? Spasiba. Spasiba. Okay. Spasiba. So this is not is not there. Spasiba, like that. So how we are writing? Spasiba. Okay. One moment, I'm writing wrongly. So spasiba. Okay. This O becomes A while pronouncing. Here can you see пожалуйста? What is that? Пожалуйста. 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 Спасибо. Спасибо. Like that. So let's move to another page. So the simple question is there. Simple question. You are asking, right? क्या है? कैसे है? Where है? What है? So here, first of all, see how. How? That is kak. 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 So in Hindi, kak. So kak is how. How we are writing in Russian? Kak. Kak. Another where. Where is in English, but in Russian, где. Где. But here you see the pronunciation here, где. But that is not где. 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 Okay. Gz, like that. Где. So how we will write? Где. Где. Like that. See, another one is what. So what means क्या. So how we are writing in Russian? Sto. 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 So these are small questions. What, how, where, what, как, где, sto. Let's move to another page. We'll see here. Another is why. So what we are telling in Russian pronunciation, see, почему. What is telling? Почему. Почему. And how we are writing? Почему. Okay. So why? क्यों. Another when. कब. Okay. So that is in Russian. Когда. 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 So когда is when. How we are writing? Когда. Like that. So I think you are clear now. Let's move to another page. So see, here is numbers are there. So number, some similarities with our Sanskrit or Russian, you can tell, Sanskrit or Hindi. So first of all, this one 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So till 5 I will teach you now. Later on I will teach you till million, billion, trillion, whatever is there. So just start with the small. Okay. So here pronunciation is there. This is Russian is there, and you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. So numbers. This is one is in Russian azin. What is that? Azin. So azin. How to write azin? Another. Can you see in Hindi do? 2 is do. So there is nothing but dwa. 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 Can you see? 3. Okay. 3. So 3 is nothing but 3. In Russian 3. Another 4 is there. So 4 is char. Char in Hindi. So chitirya. What is that? Chitirya. Chitirya. How to write? One moment. Chitirya. Like that. Can you see here 5 in English? So 5 in English, in Hindi 5. So 5 is nothing but pyat. Pyat. So what is that? Pyat. Pyat is 5 or 5. Like that. So this was the small part for the numbering, how we are pronouncing or calling it. Let's move to another page. So this is everyday objects which you use at home or you daily use, right? So here can you see English, Russian, and then pronunciation. I will write here the written form. So this is book. So how to tell in Russian? Kniga. What is that? Kniga. 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 So like that we are writing. This is pen. Ruchka. Ruchka. Like that. Ruchka. There is not simple r like that. Ruchka. So how we are writing? Ruchka. Like this. This is table. Table is nothing but stol. Stol. Can you see? Stol. Another one is stool. This is table and this chair. So there is difference between a stool and stool. Stool is chair here in Russian. So Russian is stool. Stool means chair. This is chair, stool. Can you see here window? Khidki. How to pronounce? Akno. Akno. Right? Akno. Akno. So even you can add it. Let's see. Basic action is there. Okay. So here, let's see. What is this? Eat. Eat is khana. Okay. Khana in Hindi, but eat in English. That is есть. Есть. Есть means eat. To eat. What is that? To eat. Есть. How to write? All right. Like that. And even I write есть. Like this. Then you can see drink. So drink is peach. What is that? Peach. Not the. The becomes ch. Peach. Here. To drink. So to drink, how to write? Peach. Can you see sleep? Sleep is spat. So spat, not the. Spat. The becomes ch. Spat. Okay. Spat. To sleep. So how to write in Russian? Spat. Can you see read here? Read. You know already read. Padhna. Chitach. So what is that? Chitach. How to write? To read. Chitach. What is that? Chitach. Another to write. Okay. So to write or write is pisach. Pisach. So here is. Sorry, 1 second. So we are writing like that. Pisach. So this was our class today. See, something is there. Some more thing is there. Let's see. I think this is the last page. We'll see how to tell. Time related words is there. Okay, so lastly, how we are telling today, tomorrow, and yesterday. So same like that in English, Russian pronunciation, and then written form. So today is aaj, but in Russian, sivodnya. What is that? Sivodnya. Sivodnya. How to write? Right? Sivodnya. Right? Sivodnya. Sivodnya. क्या होता है? Sivodnya. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is nothing but zavtra. What is that? Zavtra. How to write? Like this. Zavtra. Yesterday. That is chira. Like chira. Chera, like that. Chera. See, something is silent here. Y is there but not full. Chera. Vechera vecheram. Chera vecheram. Like that. So how to write? Chera. Like that. So today is Sivodnya, tomorrow is Jaftra, and then yesterday is Chera. Just again, I'm going to repeat it quickly. Let's see. Pronunciation in the fast way, how I'm going to pronounce all. See, first of all, the Russian word is there. So this is hello. Hello, привет, goodbye, пока, yes, да, no, нет, please, пожалуйста, thank you, спасибо. How, как, where, где, what, что, and then why, почему, when, когда, один, два, три, четыре, пять. Book, книга, пен, ручка, table, стол, chair, стул, window, окно. Eat, есть, пить, drink, sleep, спать, read, читать, write, писать. Сегодня, завтра, вчера. Like that. So thank you guys. So let's watch all the past, whoever is interested to learn Russian, and write in the comment so I can improve myself and bring more material to teach you, and then quickly and fastly learning Russian. Okay. So thank you so much. मिलते हैं next class में. See you again.